Hello everyone, my name is Rudma Thapa and I do White Hat Junior. Today we are going to make one with binary strings. So first of all what you need to do is that come to the link and I can just start over for you all. You can reload it. It's reloading. Yeah, I can start for you all again. Yeah. What you first need to do is you need to make the screen big and then run it. These are all the blocks, so we are going to make one with the blocks. Remember that 0 means off in binary and 1 means on in binary. 0 is the color black in binary and 1 is any color in binary. Usually white, so we are going to use white only today. So right now, let's start making our one. First, everyone knows what is a row and a column. The horizontal line is the row and vertical line is called column. This is vertical, okay? And this is horizontal. So we're going to do it from rows. Horizontal. Now let's start. First, till row 3 over here, we're going to write all 0, 0, 0. And over here also, all 0, 0. Now over here also, this last time 0. And over here you're going to write 0 0 0 0, and over here 3 times 1 1 2 3. Over here write 4 times 0, and then after 4 write 1. Now write 5 times 0, and then write 4 times 1 1 2 3 4. Now write again all 0 0 0 after that. Now write 4 times 0 and then 5 times 1 2 3 4 5, and all 0 0 after that. And for checking it again and again, I'll tell you what to do. But now what is the thing? After making this, you can, on the row 7 you need to write 6 times 0 and then 3 times 1 again, and then after that all 0 0. So now for checking it, you reset and run again. It will be like this. So this is my really quarter one. To make whole one, I'm working on it. On row 8, we'll write 0 0 0 0 and then 3 times 1. We're going to repeat this almost 5 6 times, I think. So let's do it. 0 0 0, 3 times 1, and now then 0 0. Yeah, now we're going to write 0 0 0, 3 times 1, and then 0 0 0. Don't forget guys, if everything is like this, so we can make one over here from ones, so that you can do it. Or else you can change the zeros to 1 and do like this all black and this is all white. Sorry, this is what I'm doing. Can also do it like this is all white and this is all black. The one is black. You can do it like that. And now you need to do it like this. Just repeat these. We're going to do it now last 2 times. 2, 3. Wait, I want to see something. So I will reset it and run if I have a doubt. So here is my one. Now this is the last time. On row 13, you're going to do it as 0, 0, 0. Now we need to now 4 times 1 and now 0, 0. 4 times 1 and again we are going to do now again we are going to do 4 times 1 and now we will reset it and run. Now this is my one. One more thing, if you don't want it to be bold, what you can do is come here, dot 0. If you don't want it to be like this thing, you can just now you're going to be like doing it this 0 2 so that it can be changed only one. So this is the thing how it looks. So it is really easy to make and code things. You should also try it. But I would like it like this now. So I can make like it like this. You can also count the blocks and then write these. But I've already done that part. Or what you can do is just whatever you like. So this is the end of my video. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.